Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be exporting a div with the background image alongside with some text also to a PDF document inside Angular 13 application. So you can see the demo on your screen. So this will be the application we will be building here. So you will see this is the background image we have uploaded from our local file system, and there is some text out there which is saying hello world. So simply if I click this button, you will see a PDF file will be downloaded, and this background image will be embedded inside this PDF document alongside with the text. So now you can change this background image, and also you can change the text. So let me show the application to you. You can see inside this CSS we are targeting it. We are providing custom CSS, and inside this background image property we are providing the image address which is located inside the my computer. So let me show the image to you. This is the image I am targeting it. I am just copy pasting it properties address here, simply copy pasting it and here. So I can change this image to anything. Let's suppose we can go to internet and we can get a custom image. Let's suppose you can download any sort of image. Let's suppose if you search it, if you want to download this image, simply click download, save this image, and we will save it inside our, we will say image.jpg, and now you will see our file will be saved here, which will be image.jpg. Now we simply need to change the extension, which is simply image.jpg. Now basically if you refresh the application, you will see your image will be changed here and the text is there. You can see hello world is there. If I now export this, you will see now this background image will be changed. So you can take any image of your choice, simply download it to a particular location and then provide the address here inside the CSS background image property. And here you can also change the color of the text to, let's suppose, any color of your choice. Let's suppose I change this to blue color. You can see blue color, we have changed it, and once again you will see the color is changed here. If I export to PDF, you will see this is blue color. So now in this tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to do this from scratch using a jsPDF library and HTML2Canvas library. JSPDF is a client generation PDF library in JavaScript, and HTML2Canvas is the library to take screenshots of the canvas in with JavaScript. So all the source code regarding this application will be there inside video description. So step-by-step instruction is given. So just go to the video description link to download all the source code. So now to get started guys, what we need to do is that I will delete all this source code and start from scratch. So let me delete all this code here. Let me delete this code here like this, and also delete it right here. So we will start from scratch guys. So this is the brand new Angular project. Nothing is there. You will see all this stuff is empty. If I refresh the application, you will see nothing will be there. It is currently empty. It will auto start on 4200. So now you need to first of all install these dependencies. First is JSPDF. So npm I JSPDF. Execute this command. I have already installed it. And then HTML2 Canvas. This is the library you need to install it. So install these two libraries and then start your application ngserve. And now guys, after that we need to prepare our HTML, which will be shown to the user. So here inside this HTML we will have a simple div which will have the class ID to it attached to content, and then we will also be providing a hash symbol content. That's it. Inside this guys, we will populate our heading, which will be hello world. You can give any heading of your choice, anything, and that's it. So this is the HTML that we need to embed or export to a PDF document. Then will be having a button which will say export to PDF. And when we click this button guys, we will attach an event listener. So we will say export PDF. So this is a method we need to declare inside our app.component.ts file. I think, where is the file? This is the file here. So we need to define this method here. So simply we will define this export PDF export PDF. So this is a simple method that we defined here. You will see export PDF. So the very first thing that we need to do is, guys, we need to target the element that we have defined here. So we can target it using view child property, view child. So import it. It will automatically import it from the Angular dependency. And here inside this, guys, you need to pass the property which we have given, which is content. So this is a hash symbol followed by the property name. So the same property we are passing here, we are targeting it by this. And then we need to have the static property which will be equal to static property will be equal to true. And then we need to target the element, guys, which will be simply en, not symbol, and colon symbol. That's it. And then we will have element ref, element ref, element ref. So this will be automatically imported, you will see at the very top, from the Angular core library. And basically this will be a type of HTML image element. So here we need to pass HTML image element. So again, that's it. Put a arrow bracket right here. That's it. We are targeting the element here. So basically in Angular, guys, there is some kind of syntax that you need to follow. So in this syntax, we are just targeting this element, which is div element. So this is a code which is meant by this. Now we simply need to take the screenshot by using HTML2Canvas library. So you will see automatically HTML2Canvas will be imported. And here we need to pass the this dot element dot native element. And after that, guys, this will return a promise. And inside this, we will be getting the screenshot in the form of canvas. So here we will simply say we can get the image data like this, image data, declare this, and we can convert the canvas to data URL. And here we can just say provide here image slash JPG. You can also provide PNG also, but I will stick to JPEG. And now we need to define the PDF document, guys. So const PDF new, and here we will define jsPDF library. And now automatically this jsPDF will also be imported at the very top. And here, guys, we need to define the orientation of the PDF document, and this will be equal to portrait. That's it. After providing the this, we need to get the image properties. So we will say image props. Now to get the image properties, guys, we will say PDF dot get image properties. And here, guys, we need to pass the image data that we have configured. And then we need to calculate the PDF width. So PDF width can be calculated by PDF dot internal dot page size dot page size dot get width. So this is a function that we can use here simply. And now we need to calculate the PDF height. So this we can calculate using image props multiplied by image props multi this multiply by image props dot height multiplied by PDF width which we have calculated in the previous step, and we will divide this using image props dot width. That's it. So now we have calculated the width and the height of the PDF document. Now we can simply add the image, which will be add image method we will use. And inside this, guys, we will pass our image data, which we have base64 code of the image. And then we will say the extension, which will be PNG. Here you can pass JPG also. And then the X and the Y coordinate, which will be 0, 0. And then the PDF width and PDF height. That's it. And now we can save the image. So simply we can say output.pdf. That's it. So that's complete the application, guys. So now if you refresh the application, if you export the PDF, you will see sample.pdf will be downloaded and hello world will be shown to us. but we need also some app.component.css. We need to style this also. So we can target the ID which we have given to the element. You will see in the HTML file we have given this ID, div element ID, which is content. So here we can say color of the will change to white, and text decoration will be underlined. So basically it should be underlined. And then we can say, guys, background image. We can provide a path here, which will be simply, now to get the path, it is very simple. Simply click on the image properties, and here you will get the location, actual location. Simply copy this location and inside this paste it. And inside programming, guys, you need to replace these slashes by this slashes. Just replace this on your keyboard. Simply type this, and then the image name, which is image.jpg. So followed by actual image name, you will see image, extension is jpg. That's it. After you do that, you also need to provide the width, which will be 300 pixel, and height will be also 300 pixel. So now, guys, if you check here inside your application, you will see it is saying that failed to compile. What is saying? uh, mm, Background image, oh sorry, we need to put the comma, we failed to do that. Put a comma here, sorry. Let me paste the code, guys. So if you go to the video description, you will see this is the CSS code. So make sure that you paste it. So here I will replace it by image.jpg. You will see. And now, guys, you will see this is the image here. Simply export to PDF. You will see the PDF is exported. So in this easy way, guys, you can export any sort of background image to PDF document using Angular 13, using jsPDF and HTML2Canvas. If you want the full source code, you can go to the video description link to download all the source code. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment on this video. And I will be seeing you in the next video.